If you are a teacher who uses ChatGPT regularly, chances are your conversations are getting a little bit messy. You might have one conversation to help you with planning, one for communication, one for helping you write newsletters or creating resources. If you use ChatGPT a lot, those conversations can really build up and it can be hard to find what you're looking for if you want to refer back later. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to organize your ChatGPT conversations using ChatGPT Projects. Think of projects as a folder in ChatGPT that keeps similar conversations together. Instead of having all of your chats mixed together, you're able to organize them in a neat way. That way you can quickly and easily find them later. To create your projects, you'll want to open up ChatGPT. On the left-hand side, you'll find the little tool that says Projects. When you click on Projects, it'll open up a new page. If you've never used Projects before, yours will be empty. So you'll want to hit the New button at the top, and you'll want to name it as one of your folders. So for me, I organize my chats by planning, field trips, parent communication. You can have more than 3. If you want to be even more organized, you can have more projects. But this is something that works for me. So if I'm using ChatGPT to help me with my lessons or creating resources, I'll save them under my planning tab. So when I click on my planning projects, it shows me all the chats and conversations I've had that specifically involve planning and resources. So you can see I use ChatGPT to help me write a needs and want lesson. It saved that in my planning folder, so I know if I ever wanted to refer back to it, I knew where I could easily find it. I also have one for field trips, so if I ever am planning a different field trip, if I need to help draft a permission slip or think of field trip ideas, all of those field trip related conversations will be saved there. The last one I have is for parent communication. If I'm writing a welcome letter, a newsletter, if I need help writing a response to a tricky parent message, I can store all of those conversations in one place so I can easily find them later on. So if you're a teacher who uses ChatGPT a lot and your conversations are becoming quite messy, I highly recommend trying out Projects. I think it's a great way just to organize your workflow, and being more organized can help save you a little bit of time here and there. If you felt like this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate the support, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.